this building, we're going to tell you about the history and show you around, but basically it was built in 1935. So kind of in that Art Deco time period. And then they beautifully restored it in 2020, and it is something to behold, and it is a treat to visit.
So we're going to take you through the hotel, kind of show you the rooms and what it's like. We are also going to take you to this beautiful crown on top.
Yes, it is called the Elderwood. So the hotel is the Darling. We'll explain why later. And the restaurant at the rooftop is called the Elderwood, and it has a gorgeous bar with amazing award-winning craft cocktails.
Absolutely.
And in fact, this hotel itself has an amazing award from TripAdvisor.
Hey.
As one of the best.
Hey, do we tell them now or do they gotta watch?
Now keep watching, we'll show you. You know how sometimes there is a boutique hotel that is so special that even locals will go to it? Not just to enjoy its beautiful rooftop restaurant and Art Deco bar, but to stay overnight because it's so beautiful.
Hey guys, we are Tim and Kathy with Taste Life with Us, and we are at one of our favorite places where, honestly, we lived here for 20 years.
And we did come and stay here overnight, less than a mile away, because it's that cool.
And so many of our friends have done the same thing. So we wanted to take this opportunity to share it with you. This is a place where if you're traveling up the state of California, you can actually get to about the halfway point, right between Los Angeles, San Francisco, and you're gonna end up in this place.
It's known as the gateway to the Sequoias, this town. And so it's a perfect place to stay if you're headed up to Sequoia National Park. This town is called Visalia. And this building, we're going to tell you about the history and show you around, but basically it was built in 1935. So kind of in that Art Deco time period.
All right, let's get started.
In 1935, this building was built as an annex to the Tulare County Courthouse, which it functioned as that annex for up till 1952, at which point an earthquake struck and destroyed the courthouse. A new courthouse was constructed on the other side of town, leaving the annex building unusable for the courthouse. So it was turned into the Tulare County Board of Supervisors building. In the 1960s, it became the building for Tulare County Social Services. It remained that until 2009, when the last tenant moved out and the building was condemned as being unsafe. The building was bought in 2017 by 5 different families, 3 of which were the Ainley family, coming together to repair and restore the building. The name of the hotel, the Darling, is actually named after the mother of the Ainley brothers and also the middle name of one of the brothers' daughter. That name is the Darling. The name of the restaurant, the Elderwood, comes from a small town located near Visalia called Elderwood, in which the family had been cattle ranching since 1911. Now let's go in and take a look at the room. As you can see, this is a nice sized room and is set up with vintage style furniture. Now this is a nice little kettle over here to get things warm for you. And they also got these freebies, little snacks. It's all included in the room price. Over here, we've got a big closet. Let's take a look inside. Got an ironing board and iron, places to hang, little luggage rack, shelves, even got an extra fan in case it gets a little warm for you. Oh, that bed looks comfy, doesn't it? Hello, darling. So nice to see you. Let's check out the bathroom area. Oh, wait. There you go. You got some plugs on the nightlight, and you got drawers each side of the bed. All right, now let's head into that bathroom. Very vintage style. Hey, what's this? Oh, these are the supplies that come with the room. Then you also got the same type of supplies in the shower. Nice high ceilings, beautiful bathroom, nice tile work.
You guys, we gotta talk about something here. This shower.
It's amazing.
fantastic.
I don't know if you're from California or you've been here a significant amount of time, but they've got big restrictions on water flow, and so it's hard to find a really good, powerful shower with tons of outflow. And I looked at that one and thought, that's a beautiful rain head, but it's so high. By the time it gets to me, it's going to be sprinkles. No.
It was fantastic.
Isn't it great?
It was.
It was so strong. I recorded it for you because I was so excited. And it was hot.
Yes.
Nice and hot like I like.
And the other thing,
What?
the bed.
Ooh, did we sleep good?
It was an awesome bed.
Yeah.
Awesome pillows.
And we know beds. We probably sleep in about
Whose beds are you sleeping in?
50 beds a year.
Whose beds are you sleeping in?
We sleep in a lot of beds. And I have to say, this is one of the most comfortable beds
Absolutely.
we've ever been in, and great pillows. So
Absolutely. But you know what?
we're hungry.
It's time for brunch. Let's go.
Breakfast. One hot tip here is if you're going to book dinner or brunch at the Elderwood, be sure you book it as soon as you make your plans for the hotel, or even if you're just coming here to eat or get drinks, because it gets very, very booked up, especially in busy seasons, but even off season. Because lots of locals come here and lots of people on their way through. And this is December, and it is still nice out on the deck. It wouldn't be like that every day, but they've got heaters, they've got the fire pit, and so it is nice out here. People were eating out here last night, and we're having breakfast out here, and it's not cold. What did you get?
I got the dirtier chai. So the dirtier chai is a dark rum, coffee liqueur, some chai syrup, and probably a few other things I'm forgetting. But it's fantastic.
Breakfast of the champions.
It's so yummy because it does taste like that chai, dirty chai, which is a chai tea with the coffee in it. And it's just yummy.
Jalapeno cheddar biscuits covered in fresh sausage gravy. Some amazing sausage, breakfast sausage. How is it? Yeah, let me see the inside of it. Yummy. And you have chilaquiles.
Chilaquile with salsa verde, an egg, some chicken. Looks yummy.
Looks good.
The views from the Elderwood restaurant are really stunning. The Darling Hotel itself is located near the Old Town Main Street. Lots of shopping and restaurants down here in this area. Now let's take a look some more at the interior of this building. It's got that Art Deco line work to it. Just sharp, crisp, beautiful lines. The flooring in the building is some of the original flooring from the early annex times of this building. And of course it's Christmas time, so they have the building decorated throughout. It's really a nice feeling inside. Let's talk about a few of the amenities they have here. One of them is a fitness room. Not bad. Got your elliptical, your stationary bike, your treadmill. You got your TVs to go along with it. You got a few little free weights over here with a workbench, water station, and towels to wipe down and keep everything nice and clean. The other thing they have here is actually a gorgeous swimming pool. Now, this pool is heated too, so it's nice and comfortable during the wintertime. Located on the other side of the building is this area over here with the lighted trees. Now these are old oak trees, nice, big, and beautiful. And this area is where they're going to hold their receptions and different wedding events. They also do some different parties out here during the summer. Definitely want to check their website to see what's going on activity-wise. They've won several awards for restoration of the building, and TripAdvisor puts them down as a Traveler's Choice Award for 2024. Now let's take a closer look at the Elderwood restaurant on top. This is an Art Deco bar and restaurant which has got some really nice food. Not to mention the drinks are excellent too. The cocktail menu is developed by the bartenders and changes seasonally. The restaurant menu also changes seasonally to bring you a blend of sophistication and comfort.
Oh, this is good. The orange burrata. Red orange balsamic vinegar. The gnocchi with butternut squash and sage. This is so good. Like little soft pillows that are just a little bit crispy on the outside. The butternut squash is the perfect frame for this beautiful gnocchi, and it's got that creamy, soft sweetness of butternut squash with like a kick. I don't know what kind of spice is in it, but it has a little spicy kick to it that's just perfect. And then the Parmesan and the sage. And the beef Wellington. What do you think of the beef Wellington?
It's so tender, so tasty. It's just the flavors explode with it, but yet the meat is just so soft, and it's yummy. It's yummy. I'll leave it at that.
I must admit, I'm having some and it just melts in your mouth.
Yes.
So
it's
good.
Fantastic.
We never needed the salt and pepper. Everything is seasoned
So well.
perfectly.
It's great.
There's nothing like finishing a nice warm summer evening, sitting up out here with a nice drink, enjoying the lights and the views of the city.
We have a gateway to the Sequoias video coming out soon, so be sure to subscribe. We've got more tasty ideas.
Hey, I hope you guys have enjoyed this view of the Darling. And the Elderwood upstairs, great place. This building being built in 1935 and the Art Deco, it just brings back memories for us of hanging out in Napier, New Zealand.
Yeah, as we said, we travel full-time, and we spent a whole month in Napier, New Zealand, which is a town that burned down after an earthquake right in the early 30s. And they rebuilt it, and all the buildings are historical like this. And this just fits right into that vibe.
Does.
And in Napier, every year they have a huge Art Deco festival. Well, they don't have that here. They do have a lot of great events. They've had Gatsby things, they've had
Murder mysteries.
murder mystery dinners, they have pool parties in the summer usually, all kinds of different things. They change it up all the time, so check their website because there's lots of great times of the year to come and visit the Sequoias,
Absolutely.
and especially to visit this hotel.
Yeah.
So we just hope you enjoyed this beautiful boutique hotel and that you'll come and visit it for yourself.
Absolutely. Now, get out there and taste life for yourself, would you?